Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G5S Plus and I'm gonna show you how to change photo size in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and we are in the standard photo mode. Now let's just slide to the left to get access to more options about the camera we can manage, and here let's move to the right corner to pick this button, the second from the right, so we can open the advanced camera settings. And in the rear camera and also selfie camera we have the photo sizes, so this is how it looks like here. Let me for example pick now the back camera photo size, and here we can manage the ratio connected with the quality of the picture. So we have two ratios, 4:3 and 16:9, and this is connected with higher or lower quality. And the same thing happens in the selfie camera, but here we have only two options. We can pick the ratio 4:3 with 8 megapixels or 16:9 with 6 megapixels. And this is how to use this. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.